Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very good, and this is Meenu from Asin Boutique Delhi. Today we are launching our sale video. So uh, this is a fresh collection but we are putting it on sale. So hopefully you all are going to enjoy this video. Our stock is very limited, so hurry up. This is dark blue suit. It's very pretty. This is the embroidery on the yoke of the kurta, you can see. Sleeves. This is a dark blue color. This is a kurta. Look of the kurta is very beautiful, as you all can see. It's very elegant piece. I'll show you the dupatta. Chiffon dupatta with a beautiful golden border. So this is the dupatta. Trouser. Trouser. Oh. And this is with this trouser, navy blue trouser. The sizes available are 36 to 46 and the price is 1585. 1585 is the price. Show the look of the kurta once again. See how beautiful this is. See, this will be the look of the kurta. It's a beautiful piece. इसके साथ दुपट्टा है जी. Next one is very pretty light mauve color. It's very pretty. You can see the sleeves. The fabric used for this kurta is very fine. This is all embroidered. There is no embroidery on the back, but you can see the beautiful embroidery all over the kurta, machine embroidery with this will be the look. It's very pretty color and it's having lining. I'll show you the lining. This is with lining. Fabric used for this kurta is very fine, pure cotton, very summery color, different piece, and this is with off-white trouser, khadi cotton trouser. This will be the combination, and this is without dupatta. This is a two-piece set. इसके साथ दुपट्टा नहीं है जी. The sizes are not mentioned. Do we have 46 in this? 44? 38 to 44, and the price is 1540. Very pretty suit. See. Third one is muslin kurta. Again, very summery color, light green. I'll show you the tassels. These are the tassels. Muslin kurta, very reasonable price. It's just priced at 1360. I'll show you the trouser. Khadi cotton trouser. This is khadi cotton trouser. Parrot green color. See, this will be the look of the kurta. It has a sequence work on the yoke as well as some work on the sleeves. It's a beautiful piece. 36 to 46 are the sizes available. This is without dupatta. इसके साथ दुपट्टा नहीं है जी. When we are saying size 36, that means the chest line of the kurta is 36. हाँ जी, एक और बात, the contest is going on. 3 lucky sharers will be getting gift vouchers from us. एंड ये गिफ्ट वाउचर्स कल दोपहर 12 बजे तक ही आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. चेस्ट लाइन 36 का मतलब है इफ़ यू आस्क फॉर साइज 36, तो आप अगर साइज 36 मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं तो क्या है उसका चेस्ट लाइन 36 ओनली मैम. सो इफ़ यू आस्किंग फॉर साइज 36, चेस्ट लाइन इज 36. 36 इज स्मॉल medium is 38, large is 40, XL is 42, double XL is 44 and 3XL is 46. I hope everything is clear now. इसके साथ दुपट्टा नहीं है, 2 piece set, price is 1360, kurta and trouser. The fabric used for all these trousers is very very comfortable, khadi cotton. They are very comfortable during summers. Next one is again 3 piece set. It's very beautiful. Color combination is very beautiful. I'll show you the work on the yoke first. This is all embroidery. Print is very pretty. Sleeves. So this will be the look of the kurta. Pure cotton, very fine fabric. This is a 3 piece set again. इसके साथ स्टॉल वाला दुपट्टा है, फुल फ्लेट दुपट्टा नहीं है, डिजाइनर स्टॉल. Sorry. See, this is the दुपट्टा. And this is the trouser. This is a 3 piece set and the price is only 1585. Sizes available are 36 to 44. Trouser, stole dupatta and kurta. This is the kurta. Please keep sharing our video. And how to shop, you just have to take the screenshot and share with us on our number 9267951520, or also you can shop on website, that is www.asinboutique.com. व्हाट्सएप पे पिक्स भेजना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है तो इसलिए नहीं भेज पाते हैं, एंड सारी पिक्स हमारी जो है वो फेसबुक पे होती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्काई ब्लू कुर्ता. This is all embroidery, if you can see. Embroidered kurta, very fine fabric. This is cotton slub. ये cotton slub है. Loose plazo है इसके साथ. I'll show you the plazo. Look of the plazo. It's very beautiful plazo. See, loose plazo. This is all work. I'll show you the look of the plazo. See, this is the loose plazo. Kurta. Sizes available are 36 to 44. That is small to double XL. And the price is 1360. The last one. It's a very beautiful piece. This is pretty color combination, mustard and blue. Let's have a look at the work on the yoke first. This is the work, foil mirror work and embroidery. Sleeves, anarkali suit, the flared one, anarkali suit. It has a golden lining. It's not lurex fabric, it's not lurex, it's pure cotton, and it has a lining, golden lining. And this is a trouser. Three-piece set, anarkali kurta, trouser and dupatta. This is a dupatta. It's a beautiful dupatta. All print. 3-piece set. Price is 1585. The sizes available are 36 to 42. So this will be the look of the kurta. I'll show you dupatta and trouser again. See, this is the trouser, and I'll show you dupatta. That's a beautiful dupatta. 3-piece set again, anarkali. Price range is 1585. That's all for today. If you like any of these pieces, please take a screenshot and share with us on a number 9267951520. Can we have the name of lucky sharers, please? This gift voucher is applicable on any shopping with us, and they are valid up to 12 tomorrow noon. So please hurry up. Let me announce the name of the lucky winner first. Mita Mathur. Mita Mathur. Second is Seema Vasudeva. Seema Vasudeva. निधि सरस्वत. निधि सरस्वत. ये गिफ्ट वाउचर कल दोपहर 12 बजे तक वैलिड है. प्लीज़ आप इसको 12 बजे तक कल यूज़ कर लीजिए. And to shop with us, what you have to do is you just need to take a screenshot and share with us on a number 9267 679 51520. That's all. Thank you.